This is Daryl
and Erin
on Travel with D&E. We both love going to Las Vegas as there's always so much to see and do. We're headed 16 miles off the strip to the incredible Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. We're at the Lost Creek Trail that takes you across a wash, through a natural spring, a creek bed, and finally to a hidden seasonal waterfall. And the waterfall is active typically between December through April, but we were able to see some water flowing from it, and that was a neat surprise.
This trail, minus the extension to the seasonal waterfall, is also called the Children's Discovery Trail. There are a number of interpretive signs along the trail, and there's even a trail guide workbook you can download for the kids to document their experience and what they've learned on the trail. Let's go check out what this trail has to offer.
All right, we're going on the Lost Creek Trail. There's another sign up here, maybe it turns. Now the Lost Creek Trail, it's about a 0.80 mile trail, assuming you go and do the extension to the seasonal waterfall. Difficulty is considered easy to moderate, and it should take on average about 1 hour to complete. It does have a 200 feet elevation change, so there's some stairs and moderate inclined slopes while hiking on this trail. And to access the trailhead, you enter the 13-mile one-way loop, proceed about 7.9 miles to the Willow Springs picnic area pull-off, just like you would for the Petroglyph Wall Trail. Once you get there, park in that parking lot and proceed to the sign that indicates the Lost Creek Trail. That's what he meant, it was a lost creek. I mean, the creek wasn't lost, he knew where it was at, it was other people. Interesting. Still on the Lost Creek Trail. Kind of going through a tunnel here. I'm gonna put the camera down for a minute so I don't bust my behind. Oh, there's water right there. It ain't flowing. Something's dripping in though, so it's like a spring or something. Yeah, it smells. But you can tell the plants here are thriving because they got access to water. This also may be probably a good trail for, did they say for the varmints? Animals? Well, people like us talking and walking probably ain't helping any, but there's water right there. I think we should do this. Water all the way back there. But it's stagnant. Keep going. Goes up over there. That's where I was down there with that water. Look at something here.
Hold it up, Daryl. Keep it from falling, baby.
Yeah, hold it up. Hold that thing up. Don't let go. Nice. So we're in kind of the creek bed right here. It's kind of pretty, all these leaves that are falling off. Different colored, all different sizes of rocks, gravel. All through here, and water obviously comes through here. These particular trees are doing really well. Just keep going up this. Look how cool. Kind of coming up, as you can tell. Yeah. We just followed the creek bed back down.
Don't do the tunnel. Little waterfall. That. Is that a bat hanging? Can't see where that is. See if you can with your phone. You're pissing him off. Big raven. I did not know there was a waterfall back here. We were following the creek bed that we thought it was, the trail. But looky here. We got a little bitty waterfall going. She ain't doing a lot, but it's coming down. Again, we're on the Hidden Creek Trail at Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area. Yeah. Still on Lost Creek Trail at Red Rock. Coming down now.
Oh, they weren't supposed to have come on.
There's kind of something there. There's kind of something there. You just can't make it out anymore. There's some red. Can't believe people would do that, right? Coming out in the daylight. Now these blooms are supposed to be really tasty. What kind of the saguaro fruit was what was so good we tasted in Arizona? There's a prickly pear here, I think is what it's called. That's a fruit coming out. There's one back over there. I bet that's really good. The animals love eating that. All your animals out here. That's a big treat for them. Hope that rock don't slide, huh? Wow, look at the color there. That's kind of a pinkish tint to them. This color where the little holes are. I wonder what calls that. Beautiful. We're still on the Lost Creek Trail. Water will come through, I'm sure, but it's needed for life out here. We're just walking back to the car. I guess it'll be the end of the Lost Creek Trail.
Las Vegas offers a great variety of fun that's not just on the Strip. The Red Rock Canyon and the Valley of Fire Park are two examples of attractions that offer tons of fun and adventure just right outside of Las Vegas.
The Lost Creek Trail was a great trail and really cool to see the waterfall. And look, if you like this content, you'll want to check out all our other videos covering attractions near Las Vegas, like the Valley of Fire State Park and all the other videos we have on our Las Vegas off the Strip attractions. Do us a favor, subscribe. That way you know when we put a new video out. Like that video and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to put a comment below if you've stopped here at the Lost Creek Trail. Thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.